Welcome to the Korean lesson for beginners. We shall start with some basic vocabulary before moving on to sentence construction.
이번,
Which means this time.
이번, 이번. 겨울,
Which means winter.
겨울, 겨울. 방학,
Which means vacation.
방학, 방학. 겨울방학,
Which means winter vacation.
겨울방학, 겨울방학. 이번 겨울방학 때 어디로 갈까요?
Which means where are we going this winter vacation?
이번 겨울방학 때 어디로 갈까요? 이번 겨울방학 때 어디로 갈까요? 제주,
Which is South Korea's largest island and a popular tourist destination.
제주, 제주. 도,
Which is a suffix added to geographic locations to represent provinces.
도, 도. 우리는 제주도로 가요.
Which means we are going to Jeju province.
우리는 제주도로 가요. 우리는 제주도로 가요. 비행기,
Which means airplane.
비행기, 비행기. 비행기표,
Which means flight tickets.
비행기표, 비행기표. 이미,
Which means already.
이미, 이미. 예매하다,
Which means to reserve.
예매하다, 예매하다. 예매했어요,
Which means made a reservation.
예매했어요, 예매했어요. 비행기표는 이미 예매했어요.
Which means have you already booked the flight tickets?
비행기표는 이미 예매했어요. 비행기표는 이미 예매했어요. 구하다,
Which means to book or to acquire something.
구하다, 구하다. 표를 구했어요.
Which means booked the tickets.
표를 구했어요. 표를 구했어요. 이번 주말에 갈 표를 구했어요.
Which means I booked tickets to go this weekend.
이번 주말에 갈 표를 구했어요. 이번 주말에 갈 표를 구했어요. 서둘러,
Which means hurry.
서둘러, 서둘러. 짐,
Which means luggage.
짐, 짐. 꾸리다,
Which means to pack.
꾸리다, 꾸리다. 짐을 꾸려요.
Which means pack the luggage.
짐을 꾸려요. 짐을 꾸려요. 우리 서둘러 짐을 꾸려요.
Which means let's hurry and pack our luggage.
우리 서둘러 짐을 꾸려요. 우리 서둘러 짐을 꾸려요.
We shall slowly move on to the conversations. This is a conversation between you and your father. You have just completed your semester exams and looking forward to a change of atmosphere during the winter break. You asked,
이번 겨울방학 때 어디로 갈까요?
"Where are we going this winter vacation?" Your father replied,
우리는 제주도로 가요.
"We are going to Jeju province." However, it was also the time of the year when Jeju receives a lot of tourists. Hence, you asked curiously,
비행기표는 이미 예매했어요?
"Have you already booked the flight tickets?" Your father was smart enough to make the booking way ahead of the scheduled departure. He replied,
네, 이번 주말에 갈 표를 구했어요.
"Yes, I booked tickets to go this weekend." This was news to you, and you responded in excitement.
그럼 우리 서둘러 짐을 꾸려요.
Then, let's hurry and pack our luggage. We shall have a look at the conversation one more time. Then, let's hurry and pack our luggage.
이번 겨울방학 때 어디로 갈까요? 우리는 제주도로 가요. 비행기표는 이미 예매했어요? 네, 이번 주말에 갈 표를 구했어요. 새해,
Which means New Year.
새해, 새해. 복,
Which means good luck or fortune.
복, 복. 받다,
Which means to receive.
받다, 받다. 새해 복 많이 받으세요.
Which means Happy New Year, or in literal translation, wishing good luck and fortune this new year.
새해 복 많이 받으세요. 새해 복 많이 받으세요. 정말 감사합니다.
Which means thank you very much.
정말 감사합니다. 정말 감사합니다. 년,
Which means year.
년, 년. 올해,
Which means this year.
올해, 올해. 띠,
Which means zodiac.
띠, 띠. 올해는 무슨 띠예요?
Which means what zodiac year is it?
올해는 무슨 띠예요? 올해는 무슨 띠예요? 용,
Which means dragon.
용, 용. 올해는 용의 해예요.
Which means this year is the year of the dragon.
올해는 용의 해예요. 올해는 용의 해예요.
We shall conclude this lesson with another conversation. This is a conversation between you and your Korean friend. It is Korean New Year, and you extended greetings to your friend on this auspicious occasion.
새해 복 많이 받으세요.
Happy New Year. Your friend appreciated your recognition of his cultural heritage and responded spontaneously.
정말 감사합니다.
Thank you very much. You were aware that the Koreans, like other East Asians, followed the system of classifying years on the basis of a zodiac animal, which follows the 12-year cyclic pattern, coinciding with 12 zodiac animals. You curiously asked,
올해는 무슨 띠예요?
"What zodiac year is it?" This year is 2024, according to the Gregorian calendar. Hence, your friend replied,
올해는 용의 해예요.
This year is the year of the dragon. We shall have a look at the conversation one more time.
새해 복 많이 받으세요. 정말 감사합니다. 올해는 무슨 띠예요? 올해는 용의 해예요.
Thank you for the patient learning. Stay tuned for more updates. If there are any doubts regarding the Korean lesson, please feel free to ask questions in the comments section.